So this is a real short video. I'm cleaning the garage. I just thought I'd show you something you don't normally see. Um, Obviously, I wasn't planning on filming today because I literally just slicked my hair back, and this is not a good look for me. But you see a lot of do-it-yourself projects and stuff like that on YouTube. But what us content creators very rarely show you is the stuff that like we start and don't finish, or just like bail on. Like I never did a video about making a knife out of an old saw blade, but I planned on it. So like I'm cleaning the garage, I had forgotten all about this. I find these two little pieces. So basically I took an old worn out saw blade and the grinder and the bench grinder and started forming out what was going to be a camping cleaver. This is obviously the body of it. I was going to shape this blade out, attach the handle to it, pinch the handle between some wood, give this thing a nice sharp edge, and kind of like, it's hard to explain. Well, I guess it's not hard to explain, it might be hard to visualize. I was gonna rough this up with the Dremel some, coat it in oil, and then burn it to kind of give it a pattern. Like I had a whole plan. And then what happened was Amazon sent me a set of camping cleavers that were almost exactly what I was trying to build, and that were pretty cool. So I find stuff like this cleaning the garage and it just goes away. Like there's so many hours of footage and materials where, you know, you just don't finish what you start, or you shoot a video and it's not that great. So this is just a quick little video to show you guys the other side of it. And honestly, it's kind of a pointless video, but part of the commitment to 2022 is uploading a lot more videos than I did last year with all the medical problems and stuff. So there's a quick update, a project I didn't finish. Maybe I'll finish the next one.